Please stand. Face the flag. Put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, John Burroughs. We hope you all enjoyed your weekend. We have about 2 weeks till spring break, but today we have volunteer news and our weekly weather update. I'm Cindy Avila.
And I'm Harrison Johnstone. It's Monday, March 6th, and Good Morning John Burroughs starts right now.
Welcome back. Starting off today, we hope you all wore tourist gear for Kindness Week. Tomorrow, wear tropical gear, dress up with your squad on Wednesday, come in career outfits on Thursday, and finally wear red or ASB Kindness t-shirts on Friday. Remember that there are lunchtime activities as well in the quad every day this week.
Moving over to library news. Open Mic Day by the Poetry Out Loud Club will be in the library on March 17th and is a supportive space for you to read or act your work out loud, including singing, dancing, speaking, or reading.
The GCC Early College Acceptance Program workshop will be held in the computer lab during next week during 6th period. ECAP is for seniors who want help with the registration process. Interested seniors can visit the Career Center for more information.
As a reminder, this Friday is the last day for you to apply for Link Crew if you are a current sophomore or junior and wish to be a Link leader next year. See the link on the bulletin or scan the QR codes around school. Now let's send it over to Brandon with the weather update.
Good morning, Bears. This is Brandon with this week's weather forecast. Starting off on Monday and going through the week, it's going to be partly cloudy with highs in the 50s and 60s and lows in the 40s. Friday, we're going to get a little bit of rain with more highs in the 60s and lows in the 50s, and more the same on Saturday and Sunday. Back to you.
In volunteer and service news, Disney Elementary is hosting their annual game night on March 11th from 4:30 to 7:30. Find the sign-up link on the bulletin or on the Career Center Google Classroom to volunteer.
Edison Elementary is also looking for volunteers on April 2nd to help run the annual Spring Carnival. They're looking for volunteers to help set up, run, and take down the event. Find more information in the bulletin, Google Classroom, or scan the QR code for the Google form.
Another great volunteer opportunity coming up at the start of April is the Extravaganza on the 1st. See the bulletin or the Career Center Google Classroom for more information and sign-up links. If you are interested in any other forms of volunteering but don't know where to start, then visit dosomething.org. This is a district-recommended site to help you find volunteer opportunities.
In club news, Nursing Club meets on Wednesday at lunch in room 2208. Armenian Club is also meeting this Wednesday in room 1215. All are welcome.
Finally today, many of you may be familiar with the Crash Course YouTube channel. Our Gmjb reporter Aidan Robertson has his own take on this as he explains one recent dilemma in politics.
Hi, I'm Aidan Robertson with Crash Course, and as many of you may be seeing, top government officials, including Mike Pence, Donald Trump, and even Joe Biden, have been caught with classified documents. Now, a lot of you may be thinking, what are classified documents, and why is it important to me? Well, classified documents are pretty much documents including the most top secret of government disclosures that are kept usually from the people to deter any mass hysteria or from any of our adversaries getting too much of a leg over the good old US of A. To know why this matters and more, stay tuned for Crash Course. What seems to be uniting both the House and Senate right now is how both Democrat and Republican leaders from the past two presidencies have been found keeping classified documents at both their private residences. At first, Democrats led a raid on former President Donald Trump's Mar-a-Lago residence, finding classified documents there in the hundreds. Democrats then clamored for Trump to receive a hefty penalty, but soon when Republicans found classified documents at Biden's Delaware home, well, you can see what happens there.
Are you sure there are no more classified documents?
Republicans almost lost their minds due to the amount of hypocrisy that was thrown at either side. Now, while the two instances may be a coincidence, it gets to an actual pattern when you start to see that Mike Pence was involved in keeping classified documents at his private residence, showing a clear pattern in the executive branch that our elected officials are in fact mishandling government documents. The main takeaway here is that we need to start trusting our elected officials, as it becomes more and more difficult when they keep getting caught in scandals. Overall, these stories are still unfolding, and for now, your favorite executive officials are possibly under suspicion. I'm Aiden Robertson. Thanks for watching Crash Course.
And that's it for today, Bears. We'll see you on Tuesday with more. I'm Harrison Johnstone.
And I'm Cindy Avila. Have a great day, Bears.